What's up everyone, welcome back to Nebula Tech News. So I have been gone for quite some time. I actually just bought a house, so we've been working on all of that. But I am back now with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 that was just released. I was actually kind of hoping that we'd get a new Galaxy Watch Active, but I was super excited for this as well. So we're going to do a quick unboxing and take a look, and I'll give you some first impressions. And just a quick heads up, I did just get back from the dentist, so half my mouth is still numb. So if I sound a little bit funny, that's why it is. But let's get this thing open. So the version that I have is the 41mm Bluetooth only, or I guess Bluetooth GPS version. And this is the Mystic Bronze color that I've got. So first, let's take a look at this. The color is actually really nice. The color itself kind of looks a little bit more pinkish in person than what you guys are going to be able to see. For you, it's probably going to look a bit browner or like more tan. So let's see what else came with it. So in here, paperwork. What else is in there? That's it for this side. And on this side, we've got the typical Galaxy charger, which is just the round base that looks just like all their other watch chargers. So for a super quick design overview, we have these really nice leather straps. On the side here, we've got two buttons. This one that has the Galaxy Watch etching on it is the back button, and the bottom one is the home button. And we've got the rotating bezel here on the front. The display on this is 1.2 inches, and this is IP68 rated for waterproofing or water resistance, which is really great as well. This 41mm Bluetooth model comes in at $399. There are a couple different options that you can go with. If you go with a 45mm, which is the second size option with Bluetooth only, that's $429. And the 45mm with LTE would come in at $479. All right, so jumping right in to this new Galaxy Watch 3. So for those of you who already own a Galaxy Watch, you'll notice that this one is a little bit slimmer. It's a little lighter as well. They did change that, and they made the display a tiny bit bigger on this new model on top of that, just so that the experience of wearing it is much better. This watch does come in 3 colors. So this is Mystic Bronze. It also comes in Mystic Silver and Mystic Black as well. And you also get 2 size options, which is the 41mm, which is this one, and a 45mm. As well as the choice between Bluetooth only and LTE. There is a premium titanium model as well, and that one only comes in the Mystic Black color. And one of the big things about Samsung watches that I myself have dealt with, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have dealt with as well, and I've talked about it in my previous videos, is their ECG and blood pressure monitoring, which they've been promising since the original Galaxy Watch Active came out a while back. So we did find out with the release of this Galaxy Watch 3 that blood pressure is available in Korea right now, but it's not available in any other market just yet, nor is ECG. They did say that they got the approval, but there's no real date, like not a solid date for when those things will be coming. What we do have is trip detection, which is very similar to like fall detection on Apple Watches, which works really just the way that you would expect. Like if you're sitting down or something, or if you trip and you fall, something like that, it'll be able to detect that you've fallen, and it'll be able to send a message to your emergency contact. I'm really disappointed that we don't have blood pressure monitoring or ECG at this point. It's been quite some time since they released the Galaxy Watch Active and have been promising those features, and we still don't see them. But I'm really hoping that we'll get them sometime soon, just like they said on stage. They didn't give a date again, but hopefully when they say real soon, they mean real soon this time. Aside from those things though, it does look really, really good on the wrist. I love this Mystic Bronze color. I think it kind of gives it a nice little like classic feel to it. For you guys, it's probably looking a bit more bronze. I think in person it has a bit of a like pinkish hue, not too much to be honest, but It definitely looks slightly different than what you'll be able to see on camera, but the color is really, really nice. It does feel pretty good when you're wearing it as well. It doesn't feel bulky or anything like that. I will say the leather strap is a little bit stiff, so that'll definitely take a bit of wear before it kind of loosens up a little bit. But it's a really nice watch overall. I will have a full review coming up in a couple days once I've had a chance to actually use it, test it out for some day-to-day use. So, you know, with my notifications, with a workout here and there, going on walks, runs, etc. And I'm also planning on doing a battery test on this, which I do on all my Samsung devices. So if there's any specific questions that you guys have that you want to see answered in the next video, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.